After we're finished linking the plans, in the next step we're going to have to define the pipe's materials and their fitting types. Now, according to the descriptions given in the plan, we saw that the pipe's material is supposed to be polypropylene or push fit. So to find that pipe material and fitting type, I'm just going to go ahead into my browser and I'm going to look up, as you can see here, polypropylene rivet fitting family. Now, in order to make your results more specific, you could even add the word Valsier at the beginning of what you're searching. Valsier is in fact an Italian brand which produces pipes and the sanitary fittings and families. Now, this brand has also made the polypropylene pipes available for us so that we could very easily download their families from the website and use them in our projects. Now, the first result, we can see that it is from the BIM Objects website, in which the Valsier families are made available for download. Now, in order to use this website, first I'm going to have to have an account signed up so that I could log into and download whatever I need. Now, I'm going to click on the download button over here, and then we can see that there are 18 Revit files, which we could download them all. Then I'm going to extract the downloaded file since it's in the zip format. So I'm going to right click on it, then click extract. Now, if we could take a look in the extracted folder, we could see plenty of file suffixes or formats. Now, in case you couldn't see those suffixes on your system, you could just go to the View tab and then make sure the box for File Name Extensions is checked to make the file's formats appear. Now, we've got some families over here with the suffix or extension RFA, which is short for Revit Family. We've also got another file with format RTE, which is short for Revit Template. Now, I'm not going to want to load all of these families into Revit and then create their subsequent fitting types. Instead, I'm just going to use this template, and then I'm going to transfer its pipe types into my own project. So let's go see how it's done. We're going to go into Revit, then click on Open, and then we're going to go over to that file that we've downloaded and find the RTE or the template file and open it. It is from the version 2019, so if I click on Open right now, it's going to automatically be upgraded to version 2025, which is my current installed version. So now not only is this template file open, but so is a floor plan from our project. First, I'm going to go into that, then I'm going to go to the Manage tab, then I'm going to click on Transfer Project Standards. After that, this new window appears where we can see it says Copy From, which is where we need to choose the file from which we're going to copy. Now, if I open this drop down in front of it, then I can see a list of all of the files that I've linked into my project, as well as that template I just opened. As you can see, architecture link, the structural links, and finally this new template from earlier. So I'm going to select that one since we're going to be transferring the standards from that template. Now in this list, we can select the items that we need to transfer. So we're going to check the boxes for what we need. First, I'll hit check none to deselect all of them. And then I'm going to look for the pipe types. And here it is. I'm going to check the box for pipe types, then click OK. You also might get this message, which is most probably reminding you that some similar pipe types already exist in your project. Just click OK. And then if you receive another message, then you're going to have to click on Overwrite. Now let's go to the Systems tab, then select the pipe command. And now if we check in the Properties palette for the pipe types, we can see Valsier has been added. So this is for polypropylene pipes of the Valsier brand. Now as for the rainwater pipes, we're going to be using the polyethylene pipe type. So now I'm just going to do the same thing for polyethylene as well. Also, I could just go directly into the BIM Object website and I'm going to search HDPE for high density polyethylene. Then you can see that in the results we have Valsier, so we're going to click on that and we're going to download its files. And once again, we could either download all of the Revit files or just the RTE file alone. But I'm just going to download all of them. After the download is complete, once again, we're going to have to go over to that file's destination and then extract it. Now, if we open that extracted folder, there we can find not just the RFA files for Revit families, but there's also another file of the format RTE, which we're going to go ahead and open in Revit. So basically, I'm going to go over to Revit, and first I'm going to close this previous template, then click Open. Then I'm going to go over to the high density polyethylene files, and then I'm going to look for the file with the RTE format. Select and open. This was going to be upgraded from version 2015 to 2025. So now not only do we have a template open, but also our floor plan. I'm going to go into My Projects view, then to the Manage tab, and then I'm going to click on Transfer Project Standards. Now which file do we want to copy from? We're going to select this template. Now what do we want to copy? First we're going to hit Check None, and then we're going to look for and check the box for pipe types. Select, then click OK. Again, if you receive a message, you're going to click OK and or overwrite. Now, if I go over to the Systems tab, then select the Pipe command, and then take a look in the Properties palette, then I can see that the high-density polyethylene pipe types have also been added to my palette.